Hi everyone, Chris Warner here. I am here to show you the Color Play box for May. This is Electric Abyss is the theme, and this is Color Street's subscription box where you get mystery sets and a gift, all for $30 shipping is included. So you can sign up for this. When you sign up, you can start and stop anytime. If you don't like the theme that's coming out, you can choose to hold or cancel or anything like that. But I'm so excited to open this box and see what's in here. Are you ready? All right. Look at, and this always gives us a hint of what's inside, and we get to see this before we subscribe. So here we go. This is what your box looks like. The first thing that you get is the actual brochure that tells you a little bit about everything. So I'm just going to kind of lay it out here, and then I'll show you guys everything that's coming. Okay, ready? Here is the first one. This one is called Glowgetter. Oh, I wasn't prepared with my lights and stuff to show you that this is a glow in the dark, light up the darkest parts of the ocean with this glow in the dark shade. So you get 2 sets of these. So there's 12 pieces of Glowgetter. Love that. And if I'm right, that was a set that we had in the past that was super popular. So they brought that back. How exciting. Okay, next smaller one is Starlet Sands. And oh my gosh, how gorgeous. Look at this. Mermaids, if you ask me. Okay, let's read it. Get ready to sparkle with this blue and pink flashed white with oceanic glitter evoking surreal glowing shores. This one says glows in black light. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Look at those gorgeous colors. For this alone, I wish I would have gotten 2 boxes. There's a color shift going on here too. Not sure if you guys can pick that up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to put these here so you can kind of see them. There we go. All right. I'm just reading off the brochure here as I pull these out because I have no idea what's in here. Mysteries of the Deep. Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, let me read it. Discover what lies beneath the surface with this dark teal blue coated in chunky copper glitter. Wow, look at the copper. It's like when metal is wet or underwater and it gets that patina. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, loving that. So 12 pieces of these. Put that right here. Okay, and wow, I think we're pretty spoiled on this box here. Luminescent lavender. Let's read that. Oh my gosh, look at Wisteria Jelly. Okay, so it's jelly. It's kind of sheer. Coated in dreamy flecks, mirrors the glow of a moon jelly. So this is a full set, you guys. So you're going to get the whole 16 pieces of this gorgeous iridescent jelly glitter on a jelly purple set. Yay. Okay, throw that guy here. Let's see. Next, Underwater Mirage. Ooh, okay. This is kind of wavy-ish, maybe like I don't even know how to, I was going to say coral, but I'm not sure. Let's see. The multicolored and black deep sea illusion overlay turns your manicure into an underwater mirage. So you get 16 pieces of this, 2 sets of 8. Loving that. That would be gorgeous on top of that glow, right? Or the purple, or oh my gosh, I don't know. Another set, you guys. This is for $30 with shipping included. Wow. Changing Tides. So this is a French. Look at that blue and green. Okay, let me read it. Top your tips with blue and green glitter, dual-ended French tips that bring in a wave of glitzy light. It says it glows in black light. Oh, wow. How fun. So I love that Color Street now is doing the French, so you can put it on your tips like that. Or you can put it on a whole finger because it has a curved bottom and it just easily applies like a whole strip. Look at that. Ooh, wow, I love this deep, rich blue color. Okay, so there's all those sets. Let's see, so let me show you. I don't know if I can hold them all. There's so many. And look at, I have naked fingers, so I get to put something on right away. Super pretty, loving these colors. Oh my gosh, with the glow in the dark. Yeah. Okay, and then we always get a gift in our box here. This gift is pretty. Let me open it up here. It says creaseless hair clips. Okay, I like that. I always need a clip to hold my hair back. And this says securely hold hair sections out of the way during makeup application or hairstyling. I love this package, super cute. Okay, let's take one off here. Let's see. Check that out. That's pretty. I like that clip. I love the color. Definitely got like the ocean shell pearl. And then it opens like this on a clip. And we're going to clip that back. There we go. I like it. Definitely help when we're putting on that makeup and doing things that we need to hold our hair back for. I would even wear these out. Sure, I'd get stylish with a little more looking at where I'm putting it, right? And then you always get the things that you need to put your manicure on. So, okay, you guys, 2 thumbs up for this subscription box. You get ideas, you get inspiration, directions, explanation. Ooh, look at this. They are showing you what that looks like with the overlay and the glow in the dark. And then here too are some cute ideas for what you can do with your colors. It's making sure it's showing up here. All right, so let me know if you like this color play box. And the next one is coming out for June. You have to sign up by the end of this month, and then it ships the first week of June, so you'll have that. Okay, thanks for joining. Hope you love this. Hope you get to sign up. If you need to sign up, let me know. I can help you with that. Electric Abyss. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.